This has come to us from another workshop, suspected blown head gasket. They've diagnosed it, told him it's got a blown head gasket, and then told him they don't want to fix it. So step one here is to actually confirm that diagnosis. Never ever take another shop's diag for word. What we're going to try here is something we've actually seen on YouTube ourselves. One of the channels we follow is Dave's Auto Center in the US. If you're into cool car stuff, he's definitely a channel worth following. Chances are you probably already are if you're following us. So he does this little trick where he uses a rubber glove and sticks it on the neck of the radiator to see if it's got a blown head gasket. I've never ever done it. It's something I've learnt solely off YouTube, so there is value in social media. Oh man, Dave's Auto Center on the money. Unfortunately, you have a blown head. That's sick. I've never ever used that before. Oh. Bring the revs up. Let me do TK in the